E735-08 westbound coming off track 4. On track 3 now. I don't know if it's going on Old Main or going to Cap. I don't know. Yep, going on 1. I will. '56 leading and 32.45 trailing. Oop, sorry about that. It's now 2:18 in the afternoon. 2:18 p.m.
ABC Track Inspector McCartney. I was wondering if there's any way I could get my current EC1 amended to read both directions so I could actually back up and get off at Hanover Road. Over.
92239, if required, needs to modify 18 read, 2 track both directions between ESM down over to ESM center, 1419, 1419, KAO, over.
EC1 number 92239 has been modified to read both directions at 1409 KAO, over.
1419, 19, over.
Sorry about that, 1419, over.
This is the wrong time or not, so. You'll still correct, what do you think, about another 20 minutes to be on the way, over?
Yes, I was going to actually see if I could talk to the BE to see if he could just run me down the interlocking on 2-track, but if he can't, I'll just back up and get off and then have to walk the interlocking over.
Yes, so, you know, have a good day, I'll see you next time, yes.
Track Inspector McCartney now.
I know I'm playing.
Hey B, this is Track Inspector McCartney. I'm currently sitting west of the EAS St. Denis. I was wondering what it looked like if I could get 2-track, just the high rail, the interlocking on 2-track, back up, and then back off at Hanover Road, over.
Yeah, I'm going to put you over 2 to 1. That way, Church can follow you to Hanover Road.
Okay, that's a good copy. Do I have to give up my other EC1 with the other dispatcher, over?
Now give me your ID and mile, please. Give me your ID and mile, please.
Ah.
ID 257481, milepost location BAA 6.8, over.
I didn't get your ID number.
257481, over.
I didn't get the...
EC1 number is 92327. 92327. Today's date's 2919, BAA 6.8, McCartan, Circle 1A. 2 to 1, both directions, EAS St. Denis 2, WAS St. Denis 1. Circle line 4 till 1445, over.